Hi guys, you're watching Dainik Savera Presents Fit with Jen. I'm your host and trainer Jennifer and welcome to our brand new 3-month COVID recovery program. ये प्रोग्राम आपके स्टैमिना को वापस लाने में मदद करेगा. Breathing exercises will improve lung capacity, leaving you feeling stronger and better. Let's get started. So guys, रोज की तरह आज का वर्कआउट भी हम शुरू करेंगे कुछ इजी बॉडी वेट मूवमेंट्स के साथ ताकि आपकी बॉडी प्रॉपर्ली वार्म अप हो सके. ये सभी मूवमेंट्स आप सिटिंग या स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन में कर सकते हैं. आज की हमारी फर्स्ट मूवमेंट है एल्बो फ्लटर्स. So go ahead and put your fingertips on your shoulders, elbows wide open. इसकी हम करेंगे 8 repetitions up and down. And relax. Up next, guys, is narrow to wide bicep curls. And relax. Up next, guys, is our cross arm stretch. So take your arm across the body, pull it in using the opposite arm and change your side. And relax. Up next, guys, is sitting torso twists. Go ahead and bend your arms, hands right next to your forehead, and twist on either side. And relax. Up next, guys, is claw to fist. Go ahead, get your arms in front of you, make a claw and a fist. And relax. Coming up, guys, is a few neck movements starting with neck left and right. Head tilts is up next. And relax. Upcoming, guys, is head nods. And relax. Coming up next, guys, is sitting marching chops. Go ahead and lift your arms overhead, keeping your elbows locked and straight. Lift alternate knee to the chest and bring your arm down at the same time. 8 repetitions on each side. and relax. Up next, guys, is sitting groiners, which are your knee circles. Let's start on the left side. 4 repetitions in one direction and 4 in the other. Change. And let's change your side. Change the direction. And relax. Up next, guys, is Frogger leg extensions. Go ahead and sit on the edge of your bench or your chair. Hands behind to support your body. Bend your knees, keeping your knees wide and feet together, and extend. And relax. Finally, guys, the last exercise for today is your calf lifts. Go ahead and put your hands on your knees, leaning forward, putting the weight on the knees, and lift your heels up and down. Breathe in as you lift up, breathe out as you drop them down. And relax. So guys, ये थी हमारी आज की warm up movements and I hope that you are sufficiently warmed up. If not, you can always go ahead and repeat this circuit at least once. अब हम करेंगे आज के कुछ आसन्स. So guys, आज का हमारा first आसन है in the standing position. It is called Veerbhadra Asan, also known as Warrior 2 pose. इसे हम करेंगे while we are standing and our feet are nice and wide. Take your right foot and point it outside. Hands parallel to the ground, bending your right leg, keeping the left leg straight. Hold the pose for 10 to 15 seconds. And relax. दूसरी साइड भी रिपीट करेंगे Warrior 2 pose. Again, start with legs nice and wide, left foot pointed out, hands up as you breathe in, bending your left leg at the knee, keeping your right leg straight. And relax. Guys, आज का हमारा अगला आसन है जानु शीर्षासना, also known as seated head to toe. Go ahead and sit down. Keep your right leg bent and left leg straight in front of you. Holding the left toe with your left hand and bringing the right one over, pushing the head down. Try to reach for the knee. Relax. दूसरी तरफ रिपीट करेंगे. Right leg straight, left leg bent. Holding the right toe with your right hand, bringing the left hand over and pushing your head down towards the knee. Breathe in and relax. So guys, आज का हमारा अगला आसन है जठारा परिवर्तन आसन, also known as the belly twist pose. इसे हम करेंगे supine position में, so lie down on your back. Lift your feet up until your legs are parallel to the ground and you are in tabletop position. Bring your hands on the side, deep breath in, breathe out as you lower your knees down on one side, looking over the opposite shoulder. Breathe in and relax. Repeating on the opposite side, lifting your legs up until they are parallel to the ground. Breathe out as you drop them to the right side, looking over your left shoulder. Breathe in and relax. Finally guys, आज का last आसन है सर्पासन, also known as the snake pose. इसे हम करेंगे prone position में, which is on your belly. Interlock your hands behind your back, arms straight. Deep breath in as you lift your torso up and hold for 10 to 15 seconds. And relax. एक बार फिर से रिपीट करेंगे. Snake pose. Hands interlocked behind your back, shoulders open. Lift your torso as you breathe in and hold. And relax. So guys, ये थे हमारे आज के आसन्स. अब हम करेंगे कुछ ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइजेस. आज की हमारी फर्स्ट प्राणायाम एक्सरसाइज है शीतली ब्रेथ, ऑल्सो नोन एज द कूलिंग ब्रेथ. इसमें आप इनहेल करेंगे थ्रू द माउथ, कीपिंग योर टंग रोल्ड अप. ब्रीद आउट थ्रू द नोज नॉर्मली. इसे आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं अप टू 2 मिनट्स तक. रिलैक्स. आज की हमारी लास्ट एक्सरसाइज है बेली ब्रीदिंग, ऑल्सो नोन एज डायाफ्रामेटिक ब्रीदिंग. इसे हम करेंगे लाइंग डाउन पोजीशन में. सो लाई डाउन ऑन योर बैक. Keep your legs slightly bent, feet flat on the ground. Left hand at the end of your rib cage and right hand on your belly. Take a deep breath in through the nose, and as you breathe in, feel your stomach expanding and pushing against your hands. Breathe out through the nose and feel your stomach contracting and falling away from the hands. Your attention should be on the movement of your belly with the rise and the fall of each breath. And relax. So guys, ये थी हमारी आज की movements and I hope that you're not too tired and that you had fun while doing them. Remember, consistency is the name of the game here. It's a marathon, not a sprint. So please take it easy and give your body a chance to heal. Do subscribe to the Dainik Savera channel for more cutting-edge fitness challenges. Happy healing!